Picture blockchain as a multi-story building. Layer 1 is the solid foundation, secure but slow, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Layer 2 adds speed and efficiency, like express elevators. But what if a business wants its own custom penthouse, tailored, private, and built for its unique needs? That's Layer 3. Layer 3 is the application-specific layer, bespoke blockchains designed for a single purpose or network. Unlike public blockchains, Layer 3s offer hyper-customization, security, privacy, and features built for a specific business. This is where blockchain becomes a precision tool, not just a general platform. Layer 3 lets organizations build exactly what they need, without compromise or sharing resources with unrelated apps. It's the dawn of purpose-built blockchains, unlocking blockchain's full potential for enterprise. To understand Layer 3, let's break down the stack. Layer 1 is the main blockchain, secure, decentralized, but often slow and costly. Think Bitcoin or Ethereum. Layer 2 sits on top, boosting speed and lowering costs by processing transactions off-chain, then settling on Layer 1. Polygon and Arbitrum are examples. Layer 3 is different. It's a custom-built, application-specific chain. Imagine a private courier service for a company using the public infrastructure but with its own rules and fleet. Layer 3s provide tailored environments for specific use cases, interoperable with underlying layers but optimized for their own needs. Layer 1 gives security, Layer 2 gives scale, and Layer 3 delivers customization. For example, a gaming company could build a Layer 3 for instant, zero-fee in-game trading, anchored to Ethereum for security. Layer 3 isn't for everyone, it's engineered for someone. This layered approach is making blockchain more powerful and adaptable than ever. Enterprises are complex, with unique needs. What works for a supply chain won't work for a digital art marketplace. Early blockchains forced everyone onto the same platform, but that's like making a race car, a truck, and a taxi use the same vehicle. Businesses need solutions tailored to their privacy, regulatory, and operational requirements. Layer 3 lets companies build private or permissioned blockchains with granular access controls, deciding who sees what and when. Performance can be fine-tuned. Media Group. Diverse professionals configuring blockchain interface on laptop, business people in server room with digital lock graphics, team managing permissioned blockchain dashboard of stock, distribute. Equally, high speed for trading, low cost for supply chains, or custom consensus mechanisms. Governance and interoperability are built in, allowing organizations to set their own rules and connect with other blockchains. This transforms blockchain from a rigid platform into a flexible tool for innovation. Enterprises finally get the customization they need to drive real value. Layer 3 shines in real-world applications. In supply chains, a consortium can build a dedicated Layer 3 to track goods, automate payments, and share data securely, settling final proofs on a public chain for security. In finance, banks can create a Layer 3 for cross-border settlements, with built-in compliance and near-instant transactions, using stablecoins for efficiency. Healthcare networks can manage patient records with strict privacy, granting access only to authorized doctors, and ensuring compliance with regulations. Pharmaceutical trials can run transparently, with data integrity and auditability. Media companies can use Layer 3 to manage digital rights and automate royalty payments, ensuring creators are paid fairly and instantly. Each case shows how Layer 3 solves complex, industry-specific problems. It's about building the right blockchain for the job. The biggest advantage of Layer 3 is flexibility. Businesses can finally adapt blockchain to their needs, not the other way around. Customization means greater efficiency, as every feature is built for the task at hand. Privacy and security are enhanced, with permissioned networks and strict data controls, crucial for compliance and protecting sensitive information. Cost control is another win. Companies can set their own fee structures, subsidize transactions, or even eliminate fees for internal use. Predictable costs make blockchain viable at scale. Layer 3s also foster industry-wide collaboration, creating shared infrastructure and a single source of truth. They're not isolated. Layer 3s connect to public chains, enabling asset and data movement across the digital economy. This blend of private control and public interoperability is transforming industries. Layer 3 marks a turning point for blockchain, moving from one-size-fits-all to modular, purpose-built solutions. The future is a network of thousands of custom Layer 3s, each powering a specific business or industry. Blockchain becomes an invisible foundational part of enterprise tech, accelerating the Internet of Value. Companies will ask not, can we use blockchain, but what kind should we build? For business leaders, this means blockchain is now practical and accessible, focused on outcomes, not technical hurdles. Layer 3s abstract away complexity, letting organizations focus on solving real problems. The era of customizable, enterprise-grade blockchains is here, ready to reshape industries and unlock new possibilities.